Hey guys, this is Emerald Fire. A little while ago, I showed you my design for a one-wide tunnel bore that can drill through stone and return to be unloaded at the dock. However, this had a little bit of a problem. These observers were facing outwards, so external block updates such as water flowing over the drill could mess up the timing and cause it to stop in place. So, I redesigned it so that now all the observers are shielded, meaning it can go through water without any problems. Let me just give you a demonstration. I will turn on the station and send it away. I can show you first that this works the same as normally, the same as the other drill, and it even makes the same shape hole as the other one. It's one wide, and it has 2 rows of slime blocks and 1 row of regular blocks, meaning it needs a 2 slime block drill over here. So as it goes through, it will continue drilling all the way through the stone until it gets back to the obsidian there. And also, if I come up here, I can turn on the water. So I'll wait till this gets back here just to show it better. And now, let's see how it does in a waterfall. As you can see, it goes through no problem. It will go into the hole, and it will drill out the stone, and come right back. There's no way that the water can wash over the observers because they all have blocks in front of them. So this thing will only get block updates when the observers are actually pushed. So there's nothing that can cause this to get a block update that would stop it in place. I can remove the water and have it flow over the drill any way possible, but there's no observers and no butted pistons either, so this isn't going to break the machine at all. Because this drill has the 2 slime blocks here that are in front of all other slime blocks in the drill, this thing can handle any cave configuration because anything that would touch the device is already picked up by the slime blocks in the front. I've dug out a little cave here to show this, so even if I send it through this, it won't have any problems just going through the cave and bouncing back when it gets enough blocks. If there's anything that stops this from moving, it just returns and the only blocks will be attached to the drill front here. The drill also works with sand and gravel, no problem. If I put in the sand here, and let's say we dig out some random space of sand over here, the drill will just go through and mine out all the sand, and because it can't bring the sand back to the station, the sand will just fall out in front of this block here, and it will spill onto the ground, and eventually when the sand pile is high enough, it'll just make a line of sand all the way back to the station. But basically, if you have something like this, then you could just put some pressure plates down here or something like that that will break the sand when it falls and collect it. And this will just continue moving all the sand out of the way until if you are actually underground and there's gravel or something, it will move all the gravel out of the way until it gets back to the regular stone, and then it will continue bringing the stone and the ores back to the station. This also works underwater in the same way. I turn this on. There's no difference here. It'll just keep doing its thing regardless of its environment. Now I'll show you how to build it. You'll need the blocks in my hotbar in their respective quantities. Start off with wherever you want your station to be and build out 3 like this, and then do this on the top with a regular piston and this on the bottom with a sticky piston. Then from that sticky piston go 1, 2, 3, 4 and another one right here. You'll want an observer and a sticky piston here. Up top, you're going to want an observer facing this way into that piston, and another block in front of it, and out front here, just get an observer with a sticky piston and 2 slime blocks. And that's all there is. To start it, you'll need to update this observer here. Since you can't update it directly by powering this block, then what I do is I have a sticky piston back here, and when you pull out and push back the observer, it starts the drill. Now to reset it when it gets back to the station, you'll need to remove all the stone from the drill head, which you can do using some mining station that I have not designed, but I know exists and is possible to build. And then you also need to pull back these 3 blocks by 1. So the way I do that is by having a sticky piston here, like this, that is extended, and it pulls back the slime block. So now, when you update this, it will send this off, and then once this drill is clear out of the way, you can extend this piston again, so when it comes back, you can retract this, and then update the observer, and send it off on its way. And that's all for this video. I'll offer a world download with this machine and its station for you to test out for yourself. And by the way, this command block over here just removes stone from the drill. It doesn't do anything as far as resetting the drill. So I hope you enjoyed this design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.